This is a test. Hello, there you go. This is a test clipping. Let's do some clipping. And the output, we don't need it right now. So this is the test for the M-audio 1 track. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. And I hope you guys liked this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Till next time, my name is Jose de la Roca. Goodbye.